welcome to the AD Design Show 2024. There's really nothing quite like an on-ground, living, breathing, maddening 3-day event that brings our entire community together.
AD Design Show this year really stood out for a couple of reasons. The emphasis that is given to AD discoveries, craft, and the art that is brought in is incredible.
I was happy to see even smaller designers being a part of this huge show. I mean, what a platform for them.
Looking around at the show and looking at these excellent brands, this wonderful artwork, it's really been quite educative for me.
AD Design Show is really something special because it showcases India and it showcases the intersection between craft and modernity.